But what if you had a perfectly natural dialogue with a computer? Wouldn't that be like talking to another human being?
In 1966, a group of computer scientists from MIT AI lab developed the world's first chatbot, ELIZA. ELIZA was designed to imitate a psychotherapist and engage users in a text-based conversation. ELIZA quickly gained popularity, attracting users who found it fascinating. However, ELIZA did have its limitation. It relied heavily on predetermined pattern and lacked true understanding or contact. Users could easily expose its limitation by just asking unconventional or complex questions. Nevertheless, ELIZA served as a stepping stone for the future of chatbot development. Over the years, with the continuous progress in AI and machine learning, chatbots have undergone significant evolution. Notable milestones include Apple's introduction to the virtual assistant SIRI and Facebook integrating a chatbot in its messenger. But still, they struggled to understand the context and their responses felt rigid and scripted. But then came a breakthrough, a technological marvel named as ChatGPT. ChatGPT was introduced to general public by OpenAI on 30th of November 2022. So how does ChatGPT actually work? Let's take an example. Suppose I'm seeking a vegetarian diet plan with the aim of losing weight. I conduct a search and I come across 5 different links on Google. Once I get those links, I will go through all those links, read the data or the article, extract the information that is needed and discard the one that is not needed. And then according to my lifestyle and the region that I'm living in, depending upon the food availability in that region, I will create a meal plan for myself. But ChatGPT can simply do this entire process for you. All I need to do is just simply write, I am an 82 kg vegetarian moderately active man living in Stuttgart, Germany. My goal is to reach 78 kg in next 3 months. Create a meal plan for me, include only those food that are available in my region. And boom, ChatGPT does it all for you. ChatGPT streamlines the process and provides you a customized meal plan based on the food available in your region. Not only this, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of topics and questions. It can answer your question and also hold an extended conversation. It can generate text. Text in the sense it can literally write an essay for you. It can write poems for you. It can write poems in a tone of a particular personality or a style. It can debug a code for you, or it can even write a code for your application. It can do a storytelling for you. It can even create content for your YouTube channel. It can help you to learn a language, and the list goes on and on. Overall, ChatGPT is like a smart and a knowledgeable friend who can assist you with the information, engage in conversation with you, or provide helpful suggestion across a wide range of topics. It is just that this friend do not have any consciousness. It is just an algorithm on a machine which is trained with vast amount of data, which comes down to the question, how does ChatGPT works in the background? Well, ChatGPT is based on a language model called GPT 3.5. 3.5 is like a version number, and GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generator refers to the model ability to generate text. It can create text for you, while pre-train indicates that the model has been trained on vast amount of data before it's fine-tuned for a specific purpose. During the training, it reads through vast collection of text from internet. It's like reading books, articles, website, even online forums on steroids. But simply reading the text is not just enough. ChatGPT needs to understand the patterns, meanings, relationship between the words and sentences, learn the grammar, syntax, and even nuances of human language. And it does all through the help of a neural network architecture called as transformer. Transformer is a type of deep learning model that excels at processing sequential data such as text. Transformer utilizes attention mechanism to capture relationship between words and understand the context in which they appear, which helps to generate a human-like response, which other past chatbot couldn't do it. In essence, Transformer is the engine that powers the language processing capabilities, and the large language model like ChatGPT is a result of combining this architect of transformers. Now, it is important to note that ChatGPT do not have access to internet while generating response. It does not constantly browse the web in real time. Instead, it relies on the information it has learned during its training phase to come up with its replies. Now, you might be wondering, can ChatGPT even be wrong or give inaccurate information? Well, since it's trained on text available on the internet, it can sometimes provide inaccurate data. So it's always a good idea to fact check and verify the information that you've got from ChatGPT. But despite that, ChatGPT has an incredible power to generate human-like responses, understand the context, and basically can do a lot of work for you, and it's constantly evolving. So this is the world of ChatGPT.